back for some more fun with unboxing.
Yes.
Well, pick up number 8.
But you didn't pick up your box.
Oh, excuse me, my box.
I was
first.
like, wait, what?
This is the box for those that don't know where we're getting it from. I think
What
next
does
year
that say?
it says 12
Show them the back of the
days
box.
of Christmas.
We didn't show them the back of the box. Aha!
Oh, okay.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that. The ginger quilter box. I do not know if she has any. If she does, you can get you one. Okay. Ready?
If she has any what?
Boxes. Any
I
more
don't.
boxes? I'm talking about the ginger quilter smart
I know.
stand.
Okay, this is number 8.
Y'all know she gets some of my stuff now.
Who does?
Sugar acting so innocent. Jeez.
I really like the scissors.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wait. I didn't see it. I promise. I didn't see it.
Oh,
I
we have
only
to
went to
peel
take
it.
the
Okay.
sticker off. But okay. Well, I've been wrong on all of them, so. And like a couple of videos back when we the fabric clock, right?
Uh-huh.
I know what a quartz is. I was thinking measurements, not a clock. I just want to make sure everybody knows I'm not stupid.
I have no clue. It's so light.
I know.
Like, I don't know.
It is. It's like, I just play with the bag.
I can't even
And on the other
guess.
side of the bag, it says fragile. You know, because it comes with another bit. Oh. We're all playing with it. I might be right. Is it fragile? Oh, it's wrapped in paper and more paper. Oh, now I feel bad.
It felt squishy to me.
Oh, okay. Only because of all the paper.
That's not squishy.
No, but it's not fragile. It's,
Oh,
yes, it is.
We could have broke that.
Yeah. Don't toss number 8, okay? Don't do what we did. Whiz. Look at it. It's an ornament. See, there is an ornament. Isn't that cute?
No, isn't that adorable? I don't know. We did not feel. I think it's because she had it so wrapped.
It is well wrapped because,
Between
you know,
the paper
you saw us,
and the cardboard
me
and
tossing
the-
it
yep.
up and squishing it and
Oh my gosh.
man, I'm so sorry. I'm so glad I didn't break it. Whew. Okay, that was nice. It's pretty. I'm not touching the next one just in case it's a mirror or something.
Robert Stanley Home Collection. There you go.
Yeah, I like that.
Yes.
Who has their tree up?
Not me.
Not me.
Not me. Not me. We're going to get ours up at work here shortly. Okay, number 9. Now, we're going to assume this is number 9 and it wasn't number 6.
Oh, there
Because
was
the package is up,
nothing
but the
on-
package is...
Oh, that should be number 9. Oh, I'm not going to dig for number 6 now, but
Okay,
turn it the other way and see if
first
it looks like a 6 or a 9. No, the other way.
But you wouldn't open your package downward, you'd open upward.
I don't know. It could be upside down.
Anyway, at first I thought that...
Don't
Well,
open it
if
until I feel it too.
I was going to say, it feels like a book, but if it was a book, I would think it would be a children's book.
I don't know, but somehow I've moved all the way to the left here
All right,
and
all right.
back. I'm sorry.
She's so poshy and pushy.
Uh-uh.
She needs her own channel.
I've
figured that?
neglected my channel.
Oh, you have a channel?
I do. I've neglected it. It does feel
So
like
what
a
do you
book.
think?
However, it also feels like squares of cardboard. So that's why I say it feels like a
Squares?
book.
There's a book.
Yeah, you know, it feels like there's a cup.
Let me feel that. That's some...
It's
Hold
a
on.
square in shape, not squares. I don't know what you
No,
think.
I guess.
Am I opening?
Uh-huh.
No.
I don't...
The other one was almost breakable, so let's not be doing that.
Let's not
I
do
swear
that.
I don't.
Oh, look at this.
And here she was
Oh.
wiggling it.
Oh, and it twirls, y'all. That means it twirls.
I should have bought a box. I didn't know there was a box. I don't know the ginger quilter. That's why I didn't know that she had a box.
Oh, my goodness. Here,
That's so worth the box right there.
let's open it up.
Pink. It's square and it swivels.
Rotates? Yes. It rotates here. I can't rotate it.
That's because it doesn't rotate.
Yeah, it
No.
does. It goes like this. Here. Like that, it rotates.
Oh,
Yes.
God.
There you go. That's pretty neat. Very neat. Very neat. Okay. I like those openings.
So, who has one of those
I have a couple
in the
of
room? Uh-huh. Who doesn't?
them.
Who wants one?
There you go.
Do I have to wait till Christmas?
And what are you going to cut with it? I don't want to see spam on this thing. Lunch meat. Lettuce. Okay.
What about strawberries?
No. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.